This one is a 1954 Royal Senior Companion. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, you just flip this back and you can move them with the finger like that. I like to keep them at the beginning and the end of the page, so do that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You get back to the beginning, you just flip this line space here and it'll get you back to the beginning, and we'll skip 1 or 2 spaces. To switch to double space, you flip this switch forward and it'll have double space. We're going to keep it on single for now though, and finish typing these. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. We'll switch it to double space and type a sentence. Very nice typer, ready to go for daily typing. I'll show you the print. The print looks really nice too. And I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward and it pulls right out. What that does is it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen and allows you to load thicker paper or pull paper out easy. It's got a backspace on the top left. Works good. It's got a margin release on this side, so if you get to the end of the margin, it has a mechanism to stop you from typing, and all you have to do is hit that margin release and it will allow you to finish the sentence at the end of the margin. Open the hood. This is your ribbon direction control, and if you switch it to that side, it'll pull to that side. You see it pulling? All the brand new ribbon is on this side, so we want it to pull to that side, so we'll switch it to that side, and now it's pulling to that side. It's got a color selector switch. If you want to use red, you switch it to red. And I'll actually type the sentence in red since I didn't do that. Paper's crooked, then it's okay. I did not hit the Y hard enough, so that didn't print, but it still looks good. As you can see, the black hit the Y just fine, and I can show you that it does work. I just didn't hit it hard enough. Anyway, that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.